The first time you walk into a home, it's easy to become overwhelmed by its contents and decor if it's furnished, or its architectural design, its amenities, or even its location. But you should remember that it's often the less apparent, or in some cases even hidden characteristics that are the most important. Now, if you're working with a good real estate agent, they should point some of these things out to you. But if you happen to go to an open house on your own, here are some things that I look for when I'm taking a client through a home for the first time. And even though none of them might be an absolute deal breaker, try to keep these in mind as you wander through the rooms. Always look for areas of staining on the ceilings or the walls, or areas of paint or texture that don't quite seem to match. You don't have to look at these areas in great detail, but make note of them just in case you decide to come back to the home for a second showing. Be aware of any cracks or signs of movement in a home structure, such as wrinkled or stretched drywall tape in the corners, or maybe a door that doesn't quite open or close easily, or when you do open it, it swings closed on its own. Now, these signs could simply be indicative of a home's age, but they could also be symptoms of something more serious. Single-level living might not be an issue at this point in your life, but it could become one as the years pass. So be aware of how many stairs the home has, and that applies not only to the interior, but the exterior, walkways and decks if it has one. Low water pressure can be a symptom of a number of issues, and nothing is more irritating than a slow-running tap or shower head. Again, take notes. They will be helpful to you when you compare the home to other properties. Many homes in the Prescott area do not have basements, and quite a few were designed as summer vacation homes, so storage was not an issue. But if it's important to you, and if you would prefer that your two-car garage does not become a one-car garage, keep that in mind as you explore the home. Is the home's driveway long or steep? Moving heavy trash and recycle receptacles up or down a steep driveway once a week can become an issue. Also, here's one that I find few people take into consideration. Which way does the driveway face? You know, snow here in Prescott, when it falls, it generally melts quickly. But due to the fact that our temperatures rise during the day and then cool back down significantly at night, a north-facing driveway, or walkway for that matter, can become extremely icy if it is shaded from the sun. You don't have to be a roofing expert to notice signs that might indicate a roof is older. If it's an asphalt or composition roof, look for those little granules around the outlets of the gutter downspouts. And if it's a tile roof that you can see from the ground, look for cracks, missing tiles, or areas of tile that appear mismatched. And here's a final note. Always take some time to explore the neighborhood and the neighboring streets. How well are the homes and the streets themselves, for that matter, maintained? Are the utilities above ground or underground? Always look at any amenity with a critical eye. I have a neighbor who was so impressed by the view from her balcony, she didn't notice it was interrupted by power lines until after she'd purchased and moved into the home. My name is Ered Matthew, your kilted Prescott, Arizona realtor. If you found some helpful information in this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to tap that notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, life is short. Live in Prescott. Cheers.